Total number of districts in Jammu and Kashmir. Can anyone say the answer?
I'm 22.
Let's see the options. Option A 22, option B 24, option C 28, and option D 32.
I'm 22.
I'm 22.
I'm 32. I'm 22.
I'm 22.
Is the case.
Enough.
All is not as
Okay.
okay, once that's okay. And the answer is and the answer is 22. Let's go on to the next question. Which one is recognized as the state flower of Jammu and Kashmir? And the options are. Can anyone say the answer?
I'm Lotus.
Lotus.
Okay.
Okay.
And lotus is the answer. Question number 3. How many times has Jammu Kashmir been under governor's rule? Options. And the options are A 3, B 5, C 7, and D 9.
5. Enough. Okay, enough, children. I'm 3.
No.
9.
7. 3. 7. And the answer is 7. Let's go on to the next question. Who has been the longest serving CM of Jammu and Kashmir? Option. See the options.
C. Option C. Option C.
No.
Option A. Okay. Enough. Option A.
And the answer is B. GM Shadi. And the last and final question. What are the new union territories of India? And the options are Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. B. Tamil Nadu. And the answer is Jammu, Kashmir and Ladakh.